how to use instrumentals are that easy. A 040 dark monkey, a 030 or a 300 dark monkey, a 02. Those are be like my usual ones, and then we have 102 and 100, and you can just pause the video as I run through them, and you probably can see them. And one of the best ones I have is the banana from the movie is the Spy Factory. A village is that really good because I only have a few things that can put camera balloons, and actually Savvy Coin just said I can't upgrade the units, so I can't upgrade the units, so that's why it's a challenge. I think someone else do it and they can upgrade it. So yeah, and I got it from this daily this pack. It's the first one. That's why I have a lot of loads here. If you want to see the Insta 3 and the Insta 4 monkeys, let me know. I was thinking the Insta 5, but that's it's okay. What match is it playing? No, that's definitely not. We could play a It's on stream. I think someone play this with only Insta monkeys as well, so it's gotta be pretty useful. And just go on that super monkey. I'll save that one for later. So we only have a ninja discipline and that one that you can camera balloons. That the Hello Pack had. It's very good when you doesn't have and just the best point for the wisdom. This pulls down. I would wish that would be pretty helpful if it was on the car path, which I don't have one. It feels like a while since. This place has a dude. Also, by the way, big tip: do not do the. Oh my goodness! Did you guys see that? I'm not sure if you did. So we have this dude, and I can use my hero. That's one thing to know. So one good thing to know. Now these don't actually give money or use money. Yeah. If we're gonna need, this is my best tax shooter. If we're gonna need a tax shooter, we're definitely gonna put it here. Should we put it here? Oh, that's a little cramped. That's kind of weird. Ooh, do I have... Oh yes, submarine. I was say, no. What is... Hard darts. Some darts can put. Oh, this is not that good. I can't remove this rock, by the way. I can't do anything except buy these towers. I can use stun one. Which is good. I can't use these, I powered stuff. Like these from, I have to use these kind of, the lack of camo is just like, breaking me up, man. I wish this guy, he's doing pretty good, not done. She's doing worse, probably because I blistered him. Like, oh, so what is this? Like, I don't know what else to do with my niece anyway. A bomb shooter? Oh no. We can't use abilities. You probably already knew that, but a monkey ace would be pretty good. It's a pineapple with rapid fire. That one is sharper darts, which is also pretty good. Is there a submarine? submarine. It doesn't really matter that I'm using these because I'll get them at some point. Ooh, we should put some. And a few of these I didn't have before. A few of these I already had. Let's place down our best hat shooter, which is a faster firing and even more darts one, which is really good. You can lose the dark time. So, well, that's just like, that's making me mad right now, because he's just like only 1,000 upgrades until he gets that, but yeah. Actually, this guy, oh wait, hold on, is, oh, we have a mini this one. I would at least nice enough to at least have a thing. Actually, wait a minute, Reno. Oh no, plasmas. What? So we have an out. Let's see. We can use this dude. Oh, this dude for the no, I need bonuses. That's okay, so. Still need a, hold on, down here. Still need this dude, but we do want some right here. There's just a fire right down that line. Have this dude. It's pretty pointless. This is not a sniper because I'm always that time at some point. So yeah. I feel that it's actually a bad spot. We can put him right. We can put this dude right here. It doesn't really, I don't know why. So I made it more interesting, and I can buy upgrades, but it has to be at a tier 3 or 2. Should I make it a little bit more interesting and do that? Or tier 4, I should. Either tier 4 or 3. I feel like tier 4 to make it a little bit more interesting. I know you just gotta be putting the towns. We're just not that dirty. I don't really care. Okay. So we got it. I don't really care about what you guys say. So I'm just gonna get that. Yeah. Cause that's a T3. We got T4. So we cannot upgrade any more of that. So that means actually I can get 10 lot terror. But I probably will go the Legend of the Night test. Come on, man, it's the Legend of the Night. I say night, but I don't care. Just done this. I think 8. Yeah, that's 2. Great job, dude. Airplane now. Most of you probably say bomber race, but that's no, but I don't think it's gonna be that good. So yeah. If you want me to do this again, except I can't upgrade them, then let me know. I changed what I say now. No, I don't want to put her done. She's almost at the I don't want to tap sprayer, so he just does more damage. I like overdrive. Don't ask why. Overdrive I like because I don't know why. Hey, I think that was a terrible song. Don't call me up for karaoke. Okay? I think I'm gonna put you more about right here and here. I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna put you here. Look at that. So, yeah. Oh, I would say that T5 was correct. I cannot upgrade them until T5 or 4. We definitely need some backline defense, so I'm definitely gonna put a spike factory right here. Towards the super mines, but 2, 4, close. Yeah, probably close. Oh, what do you have to do? I need to balloon just though. And I can toss the path, okay? I'm gonna make that rule, okay? You probably already seen that because I bought which one was it? But you have to use to do that. Now, since we have not that much camo on the inside side, some people are probably gonna be mad, but that's not really my fault, man. Like, I don't have that much camo. It's not my fault. What do you want me to do? I don't have instruments to use. Now it's 0-0. That makes me so like upset that we have like really bad ones, or I have really bad ones, I should say. And then the heat tip, and then let's do sub. I don't know if I showed you guys this too, but he's pretty good. Usually I know the bomb path, but I don't have it. I probably should have got like the ballistic missile, because first criteria ability is really good. But I don't know what I'm doing. I just like it feels very powerful. I have a lot of money, which I don't understand why. I used to have a lot of money, but now that I'm talking about I have a lot of money, I don't anymore. There's some cameras. There's a lot of sharp stuff that we can't. That's really good. Oh, what? Yeah. I don't even know what I'm saying. We need Batman. Or did I get a Robo Monkey? I thought I got a Robo Monkey. I forgot to put you on strong. The rocket storm, because that's a very good ability. What? Oh, that has not hit any. Has not. Birthday. What is saying with that table? Let us singing some food. Let's see. Now do you want a Robo Monkey? Oh no, I don't even know what happened. You probably do, right? No, I didn't. You probably don't want a Robo Monkey. Usually if I do a Robo Monkey, I do top half, but since we can't do it, then I'm just gonna do no bottom. Okay. After we somehow get super mines, That's probably never gonna happen. In a million years, it's never gonna happen. Now we could try in the Telegram chat. Or see. We could find out Juggernaut. I never seen Juggernaut in an actual game. I seen it in like some other games. Actually, we can't get it because that's a T5 and we can't get T5. Oh, right. Oh no, so I can't get it. I forgot around me that rule. I have to stick with it now. I have to. I just forgot. I wish I had some Buccaneers. I didn't actually expect to beat that. But the reason why I said ooh when I looked at the Dark Monkey, like what? Oh, because hold on, what is the all cooldowns? So we want you to be right here, and then a normal Dark Monkey right here. Reason why is I don't think I showed you this ability. He turned him into Super Monkey, into a Super Monkey. Now if we get that, I'm gonna do that for them. Maybe because so does that change anything? Because I don't know why it wasn't like plasma. Oh, because it's not the plasma Super Monkey fan club. That didn't. Actually, I don't see. I mean, I know it doesn't work with crossbow, but doesn't. I'm not sure why it doesn't work sometimes with. I'm not sure what I'm playing on. Okay, this has been a joke now. Like this entire thing has been a joke. Like literally, this entire thing actually has. That has 0 pop. A bunch of baloney. Actually, not like too much baloney, but still. I keep clicking on the wrong thing. Oh! Gee, look. Well, that another. I was about to get a boomerang. But that's not. We have it. It's really funny that I'm doing an Insta Monkey video, and I did an Insta Monkey for my single bomb. Okay then. And then we have some monkey boosters, some cash, another Insta Monkey, and a banana farm. That's what we choose. So that's my 3rd boomerang. I have so many boomers. All right, that matters though. So they're pretty bad. I mean, all the T5s are good, but yeah. Watching just sorry for this episode of Room 36 Insta Challenge. If you want to buy the 3rd and even the 4th in Insta Monkey in another video, then let me know. And if you want me to do those videos with all these other heroes and not wondering that I have, let me know. You can choose from 20 starting zones, open room foot, touching circle, Elise, half lusty, and yeah. And if you want me to show you drone operator and the other 2, let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.